Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is circles, and in that class we discuss some important question of your NCRT exercise and simplifying them. Now dear students, in today's class in today's class we also take and solve some important question of your NCRT exercise based on the topic circle. And in that chapter there are two very important theorem related to that chapter. First one is ki the length of tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are equal to each other, and radius of a circle is perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, now we take some important question based on these topics. Now this is a very important question of your NCRT exercise based on circle, and your question is PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter. PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter of a circle, 8 centimeter of a circle of radius 5 centimeter, of radius 5 centimeter. The tangents at P and Q, the tangents at P and Q intersect at point T. P and Q intersect at point T. Okay, intersect at point T. Okay, find the length TP. Find the length TP. Let's see its solution. Okay, and your figure is, let's see, this is a circle and the tangents at P and Q from T. There are two tangents from an external point T, and let O be the center of the circle, and there are two tangents. This is TP and TQ respectively. TP and TQ respectively from an external point T. Okay, and the PQ is the chord and PQ is a chord of a circle, means we join PQ. This is a chord of a circle of length is 8 centimeter. That is given is what? Given length of chord, this is PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. This is given in our question. And the tangents of P and Q intersect at a point T. Here both the tangents intersect at point T. Okay, now we join OT. We join OT and join OP and OQ. This is given. OP and OQ. You know that this is the perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, OP and OQ. From figure it is clear that OP is perpendicular to TP as well as OQ is perpendicular to TQ. What we find? We find a length TP. Dear student, you know that very well. The length of tangent drawn from an external point to the circle are equal to each other. And 8 centimeter, which is given as PQ. PQ is given as 8 centimeter, and we know that this is the perpendicular. OT is the perpendicular bisector of PQ. So PQ is 8 centimeter. Let us take, this is the point R and radius of circle is what? This is 5 centimeter, and so this is also 5 centimeter. Okay. Since from figure OT is the perpendicular bisector, OT is the perpendicular bisector of PQ, that is PR is equal to RQ, each equal to 8 by 2, that is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. We find the tangent, we find the length TP. Okay, now we take as TP is equal to x. Let us take TP is equal to x. Let us consider TP is equal to x and TR is equal to y. So this is what? Y, and this is what? X. And from figure it is clear that TP is equal to TQ because of this is also equal to x, because of the perpendicular the length of tangent from an external point to the circle are equal to each other. So this is the concept of that. Now, so TP is x also and TR is y. Okay. Now what I do? Now in right triangle ORP, look, ORP, this is the perpendicular bisector. Now in triangle ORP, in that triangle we apply the now in triangle ORP, this is 90 degrees, so this is your hypotenuse. So OP square is equal to PR square plus OR square. So from there OR square is equal to what, dear friends? OR square is equal to OP square minus PR square. Now look, OP is what? 5 minus PR is what? 4. So we get what? OR square is equal to 5 5 is 25 minus 4 4 is 16, that is 9. So the value of OR is equal to under root 9, that is 3 centimeter. So OR is what? 3 centimeter. Now, dear students, in right angle triangle PRT, now in triangle PRT, this is 90 degree, so this is TP square is equal to, so TP square is equal to what? TR square plus PR square. So from there TP is what? X square is equal to TR is what? Y square, PR is what? 4 square. So we get what? Now TP is what? TR square plus PR square, na? So and OT square is equal to, look, this is X square is equal to Y square okay plus 4 square. So from there this is TP is y x, so this is what? X square is equal to y square plus 16. Take equation number 1. Now what I do? Now in triangle OPT, now in triangle OPT, now in triangle OPT, in OPT this is the 19 degree, so this is OT square, hypotenuse is OT square is equal to what? OP square plus TP square. So look, OT square is equal to what? So OT square is equal to OP is what? TP. OT square is equal to OP what? OP is 5 square plus TP is what? X square. And OT is what? Y plus 3. So from there we write as Y plus 3 now. So Y plus 3 whole square is equal to, this is y plus 3 whole square is equal to 5 5s are 25 plus using equation 1, that is y, using equation 1 we put the value of x square, this is y square plus 16 here using equation 1, using equation 1. Now look, now we simplify them, so that is y plus 3 whole square is equal to 25 16 what, 1 41 plus y square. Now from there this is a square plus b square plus 2ab 6y is equal to 41 plus y square. So y square cancel to each other. So from there we get 6y is equal to 41 minus 9. 41 minus 9, that is 32. So from there y is equal to 32 upon 6. This is 16 upon 3. So dear student, the value of y, that is tr, is equal to 16 upon 3. 16 upon 3. Now we put the value of y in equation 1. Because of we find the length of TP which is equal to x, we assume that. Now we put the value of y in equation first. Okay, look, now from equation first we get length of TP square, that is x square is equal to y square means 16 upon 3 square plus 16. Okay, now look, we simplify them. Now this is x square is equal to 16 16s are 256 upon 3 is a 9 plus 16 upon 1. So x square we take 9 as LCM. So 256 plus 144. Now change of the 400 upon 9. That is 400 upon 9. Now the response, the x is equal to under root 400 upon 9. The square root of 400 is what, 20, and the square root of 9 is what, 3. So 20 upon 3 centimeter. Thus the length of TP is 20 upon 3 centimeter. This is your required solution of the given question. Okay, students, so in this way you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. So please, dear friends, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on this topic. Now let's once more time, this is the figure, dear student, we have, and there are two tangents drawn from an external point to the circle is what, TP and TQ respectively, TP and TQ respectively, and angle OPT is always equal to 90 degree, because you know that the very important concept is that is perpendicular to the tangents. Okay, and we have radius and we find the value of, and the distance between the external point to that distance is the perpendicular bisector of the common chord is the chord. So according to that we simplify and we find this value, and after simplifying them we get the length of TP. So first of all you revise that question, and after that you can solve all the question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Now dear students, we take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Let's see. Now we take some other important question of your NCERT exercise, which is what? From an external point P, this is very important question. From an external point P, two tangents PA and PB are drawn to the circle with center with center O. Prove that OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector of AB. This is a most important question of your chapter. This is very, very important, dear students. So please just concentrate on this question. Let's see its solution. Here, from an external point P, suppose that first of all, this is a concentrate first of all we draw a circle with center O. So from an external point P, let us take P be any external point. Okay. Now, from that point we draw two tangents PA and PB. We draw two tangents as what? PA and we draw two tangents as PA and PB. Okay. Thus, to the circle with center O. Okay. Prove that OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. AB is what? AB is your chord, and we have to show that the distance between center and that external point is the perpendicular bisector of chord AB. Means if we join chord AB and we join OP, then we have to show that. To prove, we have to show that, dear students, OP, that is OP is perpendicular bisector of AB. Let us take that intersect OP intersects that the common chord at point C. We have to prove that OP perpendicular to AB as well as AC is equal to BC. Okay, this is the result which we proved, which we required. Now let's see its solution. So first of all, since let us consider OP intersects AB. OP intersects AB at point C, at C. Now in triangle PAC and PBC we have what we have. Let's see. First of all, we take triangle PAC and PBC. Dear students, we know that the length of the tangent from an external point to the circle are equal to PA is equal to PB. First of all, we have PA is equal to PB. This is the length of tangents. Okay. Now, angle APC is equal to angle BPC because of The length of tangents are equally inclined at the point of intersection. Okay, PA PB equally inclined to OP. Since PA and PB are equally inclined to OP. That result we also already proved in previous classes. Okay, and PC is equal to PC. This is common. Thus, side angle side. Thus, by SAS congruence rule. Thus, by SAS congruence rule, triangle PAC is congruence to triangle PBC. Thus, by CPCT, we have AC is equal to BC. Look, AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. Hence, proved first part. Proved one part. Means we have to show that ki OP is bisects AB. Means OP bisects AB into two equal part. Hence, we proved first part. Now, again by CPCT. Now, again from CPCT, angle ACP is equal to angle BCP. Angle BCP. This is also by CPCT. Okay. Take equation number 1. Now look. Now from figure, this is ACB is a straight line. Is a straight line, that is the sum of angle ACP, that is angle ACP plus angle BCP is equal to 180 degree. Now we using equation 1. Now using equation 1 we get. In equation 1 we put angle BCP as angle ACP. So we have CP plus angle ACP is equal to 180 degree. So we have 2 times angle ACP is equal to 180 degree. So 2 9s are 18, 0. So angle ACP is equal to 90 degree. That is angle ACP is equal to angle BCP, each equal to 90 degree. Each equal to 90 degree. Thus, in this way, thus OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Hence proved. Hence, in this way, we can say that ki OP is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So, in this way, we prove that result. So, this is one of the most important concept questions, or you can say the theorem of your syllabus. Now, we take and solve some other important question based on these topic. Let's see. And your question is, ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Let's see. Your figure is, it is given that A, BC is a right triangle. This is a question. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Okay, and in circle inscribe them, and in circle inscribing them, let's taking as O as center, and this is the radius of the circle, you know that very well, and intersect, that is P Q R. This is given figure. This is the radius of the circle. Okay, and BC is 6 centimeter. It is given that BC is equal to 6 centimeter and AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, find the radius of in circle. Find the radius of in circle. Okay, now let's see its solution. Dear friends, it is clear that from the figure कि this is R, so this is equal to R, this is R, so this is equal to R. So we know that the tangent from an external point to the circle are equal to each other. From figure it is clear that AR is equal to AP. AR is equal to AP and AP. Okay, and now so AR is equal to AP, and AP is what? 8 minus R, and AP is what? AB minus BP. We can write AP as, so AR is equal to, we can write AP as AB minus BP. So AB is what? 8 minus BP is what? R. So in this way we get AR, the value of AR is what? 8 minus R. Similarly, centimeter. Similarly, dear friend, similarly CR is equal to CQ. Similarly, CR is equal to CQ, and we can write CQ as BC minus BQ. BC is equal to what? 6 centimeter, and that is R. So 6 minus R. So we find CR as what? 6 minus R centimeter. Now the length of AC, the side AC of the triangle, thus side AC of the triangle is what? 8 minus R plus 6 minus R means 14 minus 2R, or 2 take common, so we get 7 minus R centimeter. So in this way we find the side AC also. Now using Pythagoras theorem, now in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now AC square means what? 2 into 7 minus R whole square. AB is what? 8 square. Okay, and BC means 6 square. So we get this is 1. Okay, now to do the 4 into 7 minus R whole square, or simply we write as in this way, this is square is equal to 64 plus 36, that is 100. So if we split it the square, so we can write 2 into 7 minus R is equal to under root 100. This is 10. So 2 5s are 10. So in this way 7 minus R is equal to 5. So R is equal to 7 minus 5, that is 2 centimeter. This is the radius of in circle. This is the radius of in circle of the question. Okay, so in this way, dear friend, you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please dear friend, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise. So this is one of the most important question. So dear friend, please first of all you revise all the question and complete your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay dear friends. Thus, dear friends, in this way, in today's class, so we discuss some important question related to that topic. Now, in next class, we take and solve some other important question of that chapter. Okay, dear students, now thanks to all.